Anthropic just released their latest AI model, Fable 5, which is a safeguarded version of their widely anticipated, extremely powerful Mythos model. It's already available in Kilo code, so we put it to the test immediately. In their announcement post, Anthropic highlighted that Fable is able to rebuild a web app's source code from simply reviewing UI screenshots. So I pulled up Kilo code's VS Code extension, switched to Anthropic Fable 5 in the model dropdown selector, and pasted in a screenshot of the GitHub website. I simply prompted it to recreate GitHub, including the actual functionality of hosting Git repositories. I sent it off and it coded for about 10 minutes. When I pulled up the app locally, the UI was basically a one-to-one replica of the screenshot I shared, with real mock repositories and code. It even let me create a new repo and push my actual codebase to it from my terminal. When I refreshed, the repo that I pushed was all there and I could review it like I was actually reviewing a GitHub repo. Aside from the Kilo logo, which I can edit in here, it almost felt identical to navigating through the actual GitHub website, which was pretty shocking. The app took about 10 minutes and cost $4.07. Fable is now Anthropic's most expensive model, so for additional updates I can easily switch between other Anthropic models like Sonnet 4.6 or any of the 500 plus Frontier and open-weight models that are available in Kilo code for further edits. Try Anthropic's Fable 5 in Kilo code now. Install at kilo.ai/install.